In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to delete an image from your Behance project. Whether you're doing a bit of spring cleaning or just need to update your portfolio, removing unwanted images is a straightforward task. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, if the image you want to delete is part of a published project on Behance, you'll need to enter the project editor. This is where all the magic happens. To do this, you'll need to get to your project page. You can start by locating the project on your Behance profile. Once you're there, there's a nifty little tool you're going to be looking for, a blue pencil icon. You'll either find it right on the project cover, or when you hover over the project. It'll appear like a friendly invitation saying, "Hey, come and edit me." Clicking on this icon will take you directly into the editor mode of your project. This is like opening a door to access all the elements you've put together for your portfolio, allowing you to freely make changes and updates. Now that you're in the project editor, it's time to locate the image or asset you wish to remove. Hover your mouse directly over the image. When you do this, you'll see another blue pencil icon appear. This one is your key to managing the specific asset. Click this icon, and a menu will pop up with various options related to the asset. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete Image. Select this option to remove the image from your project. It's a decisive move, but sometimes necessary to keep your work neat and reflective of your most current efforts and achievements. And there you have it. The image will be gone, and your project will be one step closer to being exactly the way you want it. This process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, but here are a few extra tips to ensure smooth sailing. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your Behance account so that you have complete access to edit your projects. It's also a good idea to review other assets within your project to confirm if any more updates are needed. This is your ideal chance to refine and polish your work, ensuring it represents your best creative expression. By following these steps, you can efficiently remove images from your Behance projects without any hassle. Regularly updating your portfolio to showcase your current skills and aesthetics is a great way to keep your work fresh and engaging for potential clients or opportunities. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!